Bachelor of Messages. Sabi ni Angel, ang ganda mo talaga, Nikki, kaya lalo kang minamahal ni Billy. Ganun ba yun? Eh, parang kung mataba na ako, tapos, puro tagyawat na ako, tapos, hulog-hulubot na yung skin ko. Ang hilig niya sa ASAP, OMG, Angel. Thank you very much, Angel. Sabi ni Suzine, Suzine. Hi, I'm Suzine from Cebu. PJ Nikki, you're so pretty talaga. As in, ako makeup lang po yan. And false eyelashes. Come on. Bagay ko ni Billy. Sana maging kayo forever. Idol ko talaga kayo ni Billy. I hope you will be successful in everything you do. Good luck sa mix at sa iyo. Thank you, love you, and good luck always, Mom. Thank you very much, Angel and Suzine. I hope I got your name right. And maraming salamat sa inyong support. Alam niyo yung napansin ko, every time I do anything outside of the camera, like, I don't know, if I do a show or whatever, ang lagi nilang hinahanap, si Billy. Tapos, si Billy rin, pag rumarakit, ang hinanap naman nila, ako. Kasi parang walang sense naman na tayo. So, mas maganda dyan, guys. Bigyan niyo kami ng racket together. I'm just kidding. Okay, anyway, here's our next video. Nananaginip by Kala Lily at number 3. Welcome back to the Nikki Hill Show. Hindi talaga ako happy sa inyo today. I'm really not happy. Kita niyo naman nag-jacket ako for the occasion dahil Pasko. Pinabaskil na ako dito. Okay, anyway, can I just say, marami naman ang natuwa sa Twitter sa aking Lady Gaga dance. Apparently, they're thinking of putting up a concert for me in Araneta featuring yung mga ganun lang dance steps. And also, I heard that they're thinking of coming out with a dance DVD for me. We can tatawa. What? You don't think I'm a good dancer? I'm not a good... Hindi ka naniniwala sa gifts and talents ko? Pakatapo yan mamaya. Anyway, so yeah. So they're coming out with a dance DVD of me because I'm that good of a dancer. Anyway, here's Lady Gaga with Bad Romance at number 2. And that was Bad Romance by Lady Gaga at number 2. At sana naman this Christmas, wala nang merong bad romance. Sana wala kayong bad romance. Sana good romance nang meron kayo. Kasi mas masaya ang Christmas kapag meron kang mahal sa buhay. Tulad na rin yung writer namin. Ikaw ba? Meron ka ba mahal sa buhay?
Dami.
Ha? Meron? Anong klase?
Tao naman ngayon.
Bakit last year hindi tao? Bangus! Okay, so yun. Lahat ng mga staff dito sa Mix, meron silang good romance. Tama ba? Except for you. I don't think you would have a good romance ever. No, I'm just kidding. Team Nikki ka. I love you na, Mang Jojo. Okay, so yes. Anyway, at number 1, we have Justin Bieber with One Last Lonely Girl. Sana na walang lonely girls. And that was One Last Lonely Girl by Justin Bieber at number 1! Okay, sige mga kumiga. Bumati na po tayo mga taga-Virginia! Mga taga-California! Merry Christmas! Sino mga gusto niyo batiin? Ano ba guys? Ito na yung chance ninyo, okay? Sino mga gusto niyo batiin? Gusto niyo manawagan? Meron kayong gusto murahin yung Pasko? Ito. Medyo serious to. Nay, ano pong sadya natin ngayon sa Wawawi? Ay, nagmamay po ba ito? Ano pong gusto niyo? Sino pong gusto niyo batiin?
Pamilya ko, Merry Christmas. Lahat ng tao sa...
Okay. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Ate Josie po ang makeup artist namin sa Mix. Panong mga hapon boy na siya. Pero si Ate Josie po ang makeup artist namin sa Mix. At you would think na bibigyan siya ng Mix ng tamang respeto, but no. At parang hindi tinrin ka ng pangalan niya sa raffle. Isu. Okay, iwan na natin at that, ha? Anyway, I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Lahat ng mga kailangan nyo i-download at i-text nandiyan naman sa inyong mga screens. Magbasa na lang kayo, okay? Huwag naman kayo masyadong spoiled. Hindi naman lahat kailangan sabihin ko sa inyo. Read nyo na lang dyan, tapos sundan nyo yung instructions. But if you do want to get in touch with me, all you have to do is type in Mixpace DJ Nikki, space your name and your message, and send that to 2366. Also, follow me on Twitter, Nikki Hill. Follow Mix on Twitter, Mix Philippines. Sinabi ko rin naman pala lahat. Follow up. add us on Facebook, Mix Philippines, and be a fan of Nico Pilino on Facebook. We will uploading a video of him during the Mix Christmas party where he was completely plastered. Okay? And I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. This has been DJ Nikki. See you guys next time. Merry Christmas!